Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this clip I want to introduce a package for having water drops in Unity. Okay, we should take a look at this package over here. Dear K0 released this package 10 years ago. Unity refraction shader. Okay, you just need to download the zip of the file. I will share the link of this package in the description of this video. Just need to download the zip file and import the assets folder into your projects folder. After that, we should come over here, look at this image effects and here and test. Let's take a look at the test scene. This is the HDR mode. Okay, and now look at this. Beautiful. If we take a look at from this side, it creates a lot of droplet here, which is jiggy blend shape animation for making shake for the leg for the drop, and in here it is the refraction HDR. It's beautiful. And this is the particle system maker. Instead of that image, we will use this system. In fact, they are 3D. Excellent. But for example, this is a drop. Look at this. We can even use this guy separately. Look at this. It's very beautiful. And if we give it, for example, rigid body, boom, falls down. Beautiful. Okay, if we look at the main, here we have different type of water drops without actually HDR mode. They are a little bit shiny. Excellent. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Don't hesitate to ask any question related to Unity, AR, VR, and XR. Subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it. Have a great time. Bye bye.